DoorBird A1101 review. The smart intercom's so good, you'll ditch your doorbell forever. You know that sinking feeling when someone's at the door, but your app's spinning, your video's frozen, and your smart system suddenly feels dumber than ever? Missed deliveries, awkward voice lag, or fumbling to unlock the gate, all while your hands are full? It's frustrating, it's inefficient, and frankly, it ruins the whole point of a smart home. If your current door setup causes more chaos than control, or if you're just tired of tech that only works when it wants to, you're not crazy. You're just stuck with the wrong gear. Every second counts when you're managing real life, kids yelling, food burning, and surprise guests, or worse, surprise salespeople. Missed doorbell rings mean missed packages, missed people, or worse, missed safety cues. And relying on glitchy mobile apps during Wi-Fi hiccups? Recipe for stress. You're constantly checking, second-guessing, or racing to the door. It's the kind of low-level chaos that builds over time and drains your mental battery. You shouldn't have to babysit your own front door. That creeping burnout? It's not you. It's your outdated system. Enter the DoorBird A1101 indoor IP video station, the sleek, future-proof indoor unit that finally makes your smart door actually smart. With HD two-way audio, up to 102 decibels, a 4-inch Gorilla Glass touch display, relay-based door and gate control, and seamless integration with your DoorBird intercom, this compact powerhouse delivers peace of mind in one elegant package. It connects via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, PoE capable, supports SIP for concierge calling, and even lets you talk room to room with other units. From weather forecasts to custom chimes and visual LED alerts, it's not just a door monitor. It's your home's personal gatekeeper. Ready in under 10 minutes. And once it's on your wall? Game changer. Imagine this. A visitor presses your gate buzzer, and bam! You see them instantly, hear them in crisp HD, and pop the door, all from a sleek unit that blends into your wall like it belongs in a Bond film. Users rave about its snappy response time, gorgeous display, and built like a tank design. One review said, "Better than any app-based doorbell I've ever tried. Rock-solid connection and real peace of mind." Another user added, "I set up 3 across the house, now I feel like I'm living in the future." Whether you're adding smart security to a family home or managing access in an apartment setup, the A1101 delivers pro-level performance. With customizable ringtones, powerful relays, and offline functionality, it's the kind of upgrade that just works every time, without excuses. Heads up! The DoorBird A1101 sells fast, and for good reason. It's trusted by security pros, smart home builders, and anyone tired of clunky, half-baked solutions. Whether you're all in on home automation or just getting started, this indoor station is the missing puzzle piece. Limited stock. High demand. Ready to finally trust your doorbell? Click buy now, secure yours today, and join thousands of happy users who've already upgraded their peace of mind. Don't wait, your smart home deserves smarter control. Your front door just got a whole lot smarter.